my name is Veronica, and I'm a campus representative at Ames. Today we're here at the Fort Lupton campus, and we're outside the east side of the Prairie Building. Here at the Fort Lupton campus, we have programs such as the commercial driver's license, agriculture, welding, general education, and the certified nursing assistant program. Let's go ahead and take a look inside. Here we are inside the Prairie Building, the main lobby for the Fort Lupton campus. Here's where we have our one check-in station where you can get your wristband to freely move around the campus. And over here we have the one-stop shop for students, the enrollment advising, and here we have Artie's Corner where you can get a quick snack. Beyond that, we have the student lounge where you can hang out again with your fellow aardvarks.
We are now in the Learning Commons at the Fort Lupton campus. In the Learning Commons, we offer a whole bunch of different resources. We are able to check out books. We are able to check out DVDs as well. We are able to check out computers, tablets, notes, hotspots. There is a variety of different resources out here. One of the resources that we have is our tutoring. We have different times that you can come in and get some help from a tutor. We also have those available via Zoom. We are in the Bueno Camp office here in the Prairie Building. Bueno Camp stands for College Assistant Migrant Program. It is basically a scholarship program for agriculture families. They help assist paying for books and tuition and provides resources such as tutoring. It is a great program. As a camp alumni, I recommend the program.
Here's one of our classrooms here at the Fort Lupton campus. This is for our certified nursing assistant program. This room simulates real-life work environments such as hospitals or long-term care facility. Here we are in the green space in between the Prairie and the Platt buildings here in Fort Lupton. This is the space where they've hosted events such as the Fall-In for students or community events such as drive-in movie night for people in the community. You can also come here and have lunch and just hang out with your fellow aardvarks.
We are outside of the Platt building in Fort Lupton. The Platt building in Fort Lupton houses our welding, our agriculture, and some science classes. Let's go ahead and take a look inside.
So right now we're at the Platt building in Fort Lupton campus at the Welding Program. This is a practice piece that was made by a former student in the program here. We have 28 booths with 5 extra spaces for students. And this is the same welding experience that you would get at the Greeley campus. There was a renovation done in August of 2019 that has made this facility state-of-the-art. Here at the Fort Lupton Welding Program, they don't just weld. Here's where they do their prep work, finishing work, cutting, grinding, and supportive processes. And this is where they have the cold storage area, the material handling, a 1,000-pound crane, and a new ventilation system. Part of the renovation that was done in August of 2019 here at the Welding Program is that they put in a state-of-the-art gas lines that come from an industrial manifold gas system. You can see those tanks that are around me. Next, I'm going to show you the CNC computer number control plasma cutter. Here's an example of a piece that a student here at the welding program created and designed on this machine.
Welcome to the lobby of the Platt building. Behind me, we can see the living wall. This structure contains a variety of plants, and it is a self-watering system. This is a learning tool for our agriculture students. We are in the agriculture shop in our Platt building at Fort Lupton. Our ag students get to receive some hands-on experience operating and maintaining machines such as the tractor behind me, and also work on vehicles such as this all-terrain vehicle, which uses GPS autopilot software. Ames is the only community college in Colorado that offers a precision agriculture program. These programs are also designed to transfer to Colorado State University. We're here at the north side of the Fort Lupton campus. Behind me, as you guys can see, is a greenhouse, which is part of our ag program. It has real-time environmental monitoring, evaporative pad, and fan cooling system. Students will be able to grow plants and learn more about greenhouse management. We are here at the Fort Lupton CDL lot. CDL stands for Commercial Driver License. We have a very big lot, as you guys can see. We can host up to 2 students testing at the same time. We have some very new tractors. We have 2020 Kenworth tractors, and we also have some brand new trailers, as you guys can see. We offer Class A, which is 3 weeks, and we also offer Class B, which is 1 week.